This section examines divided systems for drum brakes. Modern drum braking systems use a tandem master cylinder to provide divided or dual-line braking. A divided system is safer in the event of partial failure. Fluid loss in one half of the system still leaves the other half able to halt the vehicle, although with an increase in stopping distance. A wheel's braking ability depends on the load it's carrying during braking. A front-engined rear-wheel drive car has around 40% of its load on its rear wheels, so its braking system can be divided in a vertical or front-rear split. This puts the front wheels in a different system from the rear wheels. If one half of the system fails, the front or the back, there's still enough separate braking capability left in the other half to stop the vehicle.